Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix ring stick up cam not connecting to Wi-Fi. So in this case, if you're having problems with your ring stick up cam here, there are going to be a few things that you may want to try here. So the first thing that you want to do is you may want to restart your phone. Now sometimes simply restarting your phone can help with the connection process, so give it a try and see if your camera connects afterwards. Next is you may want to disconnect your other devices from the router. Now, if you have other devices connected via Ethernet, like for example a PS4, PS5, try unplugging them. Now, this can actually free up bandwidth and help your Ring camera connect properly. Now, also you may want to adjust your router settings. So in this case, you want to set your Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6, or 11, or other channels may not work well. Now, you may want to disable band steering on your router. So if you're not sure how to do this, you need to search for online instructions based on your internet provider and just basically type in disable band steering AT&T router as an example here. But the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to do or perform a factory reset. Now, in this case, you want to locate the battery from your camera here, and usually the reset button should be located near that area or in that area. Now, you want to press and hold the reset button for about 10-20 seconds until the camera resets. And once it's actually reset, try connecting it to the Wi-Fi and see if that helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe too. And if the inspo, thank you for watching.